Recent research from Queen Mary University of London is really shaking things up. Caffeine might actually slow cellular aging, not just give you a morning wake-up call.
Yeah, that's wild. It's like caffeine is fueling your cells in a way that keeps them younger, right?
Exactly. The researchers used fission yeast, which, believe it or not, share a surprising amount of cellular machinery with us. They tagged a glucose transporter with GFP so they could actually see what was happening inside the cell.
Right. That's clever. So instead of targeting the usual growth regulator, TOR, caffeine ends up hitting a different cellular switch, no?
Yes, indeed. Rather than going after TOR directly, which tells the cells when to grow, caffeine actually activates AMPK, the cell's natural fuel gauge. It's like flipping a switch that helps cells manage low energy and stress better.
Yeah, I see. Interesting. So AMPK is essentially helping cells repair DNA and deal with stress, which in turn slows down the aging process, isn't it?
Exactly, and that's the neat part. When your cells are low on energy, AMPK steps in to kickstart repair and maintenance pathways, effectively giving the cells a bit of a makeover from within.
Absolutely. But doesn't that kind of challenge the older theory that caffeine works mainly through the TOR pathway? It sounds like the researchers are suggesting a whole different mechanism.
Right, that's where it gets really intriguing. They expected caffeine to act on TOR, but it turns out that its real effect is mediated by AMPK. It's like they were looking in one toolbox and then discovered the tool was hidden in another drawer altogether.
Interesting analogy. So if AMPK is also the target for drugs like metformin, does this mean caffeine could have similar benefits in promoting longevity?
Potentially, yes. The study hints that because AMPK helps regulate not just energy but also DNA repair and stress response, caffeine might actually contribute to healthier cells overall. It opens up the possibility that, in the right doses, caffeine could be part of a broader strategy for combating age-related decline.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. That's pretty cool. Though I do wonder if we might be oversimplifying. I mean, could there be risks with turning AMPK on all the time?
That's a fair question. The research does acknowledge that while these cellular effects are promising, it's still early days. The balance is delicate, and as with any intervention, too much of a good thing might upset the system in unexpected ways.
True, absolutely. It sounds like, while the findings are exciting, we need more work to see how they play out in more complex organisms, maybe even in humans.
Exactly, and that's the next big step. But for now, the idea that our favorite cup of joe might be doing more than just keeping us awake certainly adds a new twist to how we think about caffeine and cellular health.
Yep, very intriguing indeed.